Alrighty, here it is, finally finished, I believe. Now that is a masterpiece. Ha, ha, ha. Had to fit it through some pretty tight spots because, as usual, everything's on the other side of the building. Got it all sweated together thanks to Genevieve. Up and over the washer, down the wall. So we got a primary loop, and then this is a secondary loop with the mixing valve in there to bring the water temperature down. And then it goes over and terminates on the original boiler. And then we have two more outside lines that will recharge the domestic hot water tank. And of course, they're closely spaced T's, so you can look that up if you don't know what that is, but gotta have them. Anyway, thought I'd do a small video on it. Can't say much about the quality of the camera. Alrighty.